Here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 8A, and I'm gonna show you how to add the timestamp watermark to photos at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's go to more options. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here, and as you can see, it gives us access to other settings. And now we are interested in these settings from the left. By tapping on this button we get access to advanced camera options, and as you can see here in the camera settings, at the first place we have add timestamp on photos. So by tapping on this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here, and for now I'm going to keep turning it on to show you how it looks like on the picture. And let's go back to the camera and take a photo. And now let's go to the preview here in the left corner, and as you can see here in the right corner at the bottom we have the timestamp at the picture. So this is how it works and looks like. And of course, when we don't need it to turn it off, we go back to this button here in the right corner, tap on this button in the left with settings, and tap on this button again here. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.